Good morning guys, my name is the Old Mechanic and welcome back in my shed. And what are we gonna do today? Well, today we're gonna change the rear light, which is now bulbs, to a LED light. It's a really nice one. I'm gonna show you. So let's see what it is, guys. The project manual with all the different things. Oh guys, have a look. I think this one is a really nice one. Now, come on over and we start. The first thing we're gonna do is take the buddy seat off. Very easy with this bike. Nicely out of the way. Hop. Now let's have a look, guys. Don't think this is very easy, but to get this thing off, we need to take all this stuff out of the way. Now guys, according to a BMW, to get the rear light off, actually you have to take everything here off. Not what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna see if I am able to peel this a bit off so I can go to those 3 screws. This is the new light, and as you can see, 3 mounting points, which are somewhere in here behind this steel bracket. But we're gonna give it a try. First, I'm gonna clean it a bit. There. Good job, and going to die in a while. Yeah. Up. Away. And then we start to peel off everything that's here. Let's have fun. No. That's probably. Yep. Torx 40. Ratchet. Okay. Okay, and then these 2 smaller ones. this one. Exactly 25 in the year 25. Furious. Guys, I'm not gonna peel everything off. They say the tank lid has to come off, but hey, hang still. Okay. Yes, then this one. It's the length. Maybe there is a difference in length. So let's see. Nope. I think I renewed them. Yeah, for stainless steel. I hate those painted balls of BMW. Sure, they just put a little bit of grey paint over it. Yes, no, schiet niet uit op. This out of the way. There is a washer, plastic washer. Keep that in mind. This one. No, I want. So, okay. These. Now, then also take away. Ooh, they're really tight. I have to cut that tire wrap. This one. Wait a minute. Yes, yes. This one, guys. Yep. This is one blinker. Up. Can I? No. Take it away. Take it away. There's a lid. Lift it. Pull it out. Guys. The next one. Guys, over here is this plastic. What is it? Thing. Got this one. Up. Okay. You never know, it only hangs on this piece of plastic. Guys, you know, plastic. Plastic, fantastic. This one. Here. Yes. This one. Now, guys. This. Maybe. Guys, I still give it a try. It's just over there, and see, this one and this one up. See, yes, all kinds of things falling out. No idea what it was. Over there is a circlip. Take that out of the way. Up, circlip. Over here is the same circlip. Take that out of the way too. Smaller one, that circlip also. Yes. Then. And now, ladies and gentlemen, not all the way, but this is much better than dismantling the whole stuff. Now, over here, over here, over here. Hey, this one. It's over there. Okay. So, to scratch it. No. Yes. Hoppa. Yes. And guys, be careful, a washer. We have another one on this side. Yeah, they said, take everything off. And if I'm right, I am right, there it comes. Hoppa. Over here we have my fluke. Gotta put it like this. I'm not sure if you like this. Okay. We're gonna put the bike on ignition. Ding, 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 ding. Okay. Now it's really easy because like that. Okay, the gray with the red tracer is the rear light. The gray with the black tracer is the brake light. I'm gonna check that out. Oh, then I have to see it myself. Yep. Now guys, first I'm gonna put the bike off ignition. Oh, yes. Then get this baby off, disconnect it. Hop. Guys, here we got this one. Now, not sure what you say about it, but I really like it. Looks absolutely sleek. So like this. Comparison. Old versus new. Looks nice. Really nice. Okay. Now guys, there are washers over here. I'm gonna put them over there. So, washer here, washer there, washer everywhere. Hop. Then, no, first we're gonna attach it and see if we don't have any problems with the CAN bus. Okay, okay guys, it's waterproof. Wow, they don't say which is which. Well, let's see, have fun. Okay, there is a problem on the CAN bus.